Good morning, students. In this pandemic situation, hope all of you are well. I received some question regarding the control systems, so let me give you the answers. Your first question is, sir, how will we find the stability of a nonlinear system? That means we are thinking that when the system will become stable. Now, I am giving a very simple answer that stability of any system implies that small changes in the system input, initial conditions, and the system parameters does not result in large change in the system output. So in that case, you can say the system will become stable. Now, if it is a linear system, in that case, you will get only one operating point. That means it will follow y equals to mx equation. And if it is a nonlinear system, there will be a different transient response will be there. So depending on the different transient response and different stability portions, so you have to consider the tangential positions, and you have to find out multiple point of equilibriums. So in case of nonlinear system, you have to check whatever there is a changes in initial condition or changes in system parameters, so that there should not be any not big change in the result output. So that is just assumption. And I am giving you another thing, that asymptotic stability concerns a free system relative to its transient behavior, nothing else. And Vivo stability concerns with the system that has input present. Another question you have asked that, sir, in nonlinear systems, why the stability cannot be determined? So there are three different answers are there. So I am telling you the answers. That number one, that possible existence of multiple equilibrium states, that I have previously I have just mentioned, that due to the different states are present, there are multiple points will be present. So if the multiple equilibrium points are present, that means multiple matrices will be there. So different state matrices will be there. Number two, no correspondence between bounded input and the bounded output stability and asymptotic stability, that I have mentioned. Another one, the output may be bounded for the particular bounded input, but may not be bounded for the bounded inputs. Thank you. Another question you have asked. This is a question from just linear control system. It's a basic question. I think you should know this the answer of this question. So what is open loop and closed loop control systems? Now the open loop control system is that an open loop control system is a system in which the control action is independent of the desired output signal. The examples are automatic washing machines, immersion rod. And in case of the closed loop control system, I can say that a closed loop control system is a system in which the control action is dependent on the desired output. The examples are automatic electric iron, servo voltage stabilizer, and air conditioner, temperature control of air conditioner, or the temperature control of a refrigerator is a closed loop control system. Another question you have asked, so what is time variant system? The time required to change from one state to another state is known as transient time. The value of current and voltage during this period is called the transient response, and the system in which the input and output characteristics of the system does not change with the time is called time invariant system. Another question you asked, that, sir, what is meant by analogous system? So in fifth semester we did that analogy, force voltage analogy and force current analogy. So we did that two systems. I think there should be no difficulties. Again I am telling you, when the two differential equations are of same order or form such type of systems is called analogous systems. So this is from today. Hope you will understand. And if you have any doubts again, you please send me your questions. I'll definitely give you the answers. Thank you. Have a nice day.